Today we take a look at the ARRIS Surfboard S33. So we got the modem itself. There's a nice modern shape to it. On the back we got our power port, coax, 1 gigabit and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. And the reason this is 2.5 is because most of the networking that's already existing inside a home, so if you have Ethernet ports in the wall, those are Cat 5, not Cat 6. Cat 5 is designed for 1 gigabit, but they have found that they can push that up to 2.5. So this is a nice way of future-proofing. And then we have our power supply, and it says it outputs 1.5 amps at 12 volts. So to activate this, we're going to need three things. We're going to need the model number. So this is an S33 V2, the serial number, and the MAC ID. What I find makes it easy for me is I'll just take a picture of it, and that way I can easily read that off of my phone. So here I got my new modem, here I got my old modem, and here I got my mesh Wi-Fi. The first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I got the phone number for my ISP, because after I disconnect this, I'm not going to be able to use the internet. I know I got that, so I'm going to disconnect the coax, and I can connect that to the back of the new modem. Now when we're contacting the ISP, it's best to connect directly to the computer. So if you got a router, if you got a mesh system like this, I'm just going to disconnect my computer. I'm going to plug that directly into the back of the modem. So now we just plug in the power, and we can take this away. Okay, so we got a light, and now I'm going to call the ISP.
I just surveyed. How may I assist you?
Hey there, I just got a new modem, and I want to give you the information to get that thing set up.
Could you please be so kind to serial number from the new modem that you received?
Yep, serial number is...
Thank you. Could you please be so kind to provide me the MAC address?
Sure, MAC address is...
Okay, thank you. Could you please be so kind to provide me the model of this model?
It's the ARRIS Surfboard S33 V2.
All right, let me go ahead and complete right now the activation with the modem. So this is going to take at least a couple minutes, so just bear with me a moment, and I will let you know once I'm ready to finish with the process, okay?
Right on, take your time.
Thank you very much for holding, and apologize for the long waiting. At this point, I already sent the signal to the modem. Can you please do me a favor? Can you please try to check if you have connection right now to the internet, please?
Okay, yep, sure do. Working great.
It is working?
Yes, sir.
All right, wonderful. Anything else that I can assist you with, Mr. Adam?
That's it. You've been very helpful. Thank you very much. You have a great day.
Sure, not a problem. Appreciate your time, sir. You have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so pretty easy. So now I know that we've got internet here, so I can disconnect my Ethernet to my computer. I can plug that back into the mesh. We'll work on cable management here pretty soon too. I can plug my mesh system into the modem. There we go. So now I got my Wi-Fi back and I got my internet back. So that's it. Not really a heck of a lot to it.